follow-up video on the UV5R 3 Baofeng 2A radio, ham radio. The seller, after contacting him, wanted me to do a video to show him that the two-way is not working, and the seller has provided me with a new one, and this one works absolutely fine. The seller has also told me that I can keep this one, so what I thought I might do is actually open it up and have a look and see if the problem that it's got is something simple to fix, like a wire off, or it's something that's catastrophic and it's on the motherboard and I can't fix it. So no harm in trying. So let's open it up and have a look and see what's inside it and see what's possibly wrong. Alright, so just having a look at it, it looks like it's got like mini Allen screws. So that's the battery. That battery is fully charged. So we've got 2 screws up the top here and another 2 down the bottom, and those 2 are for the clip that comes with the 2A radio to hook it onto your belt. So let's have a look. We're going to need a set to do this with. So they're like a Allen key, and it's probably that size in the middle there. Yep, that's a fit. Okay. Alright. Let's undo this and see what the potential problem is. I'm hoping it's only a loose wire, but you never know. Okay, they just want to stay in there. Tell you what, the screws are tight, that's for sure. Okay, 2 at the bottom, and hopefully that opens it. Alright, I think that's all there is. Now, we've got one that wants to come out. Yeah, that one comes out. Might take the aerial off as well. Put that over the side. Alright, all the 4 screws are out now. Will it open, or do I need to get something to lever it open with? I might just pause for the minute and see if I've got something to actually prise this apart with. Okay, I got the unit fully apart, and that was a job in itself. But to save time, yeah, I've got to this point here. I've actually found out what was wrong with it, and what it ended up being was these contacts here. They actually screw in. If I can get the camera to focus in on there, down there. Where are we? Get some light. There. Okay. You undo that screw there, and this battery connector then lifts off. And that's not actually wired in or anything. That's just got 4 contacts on the bottom of it that actually just rest on the motherboard. So what I ended up doing was just wiggling it around and loosening off the screw and pushing it right down very hard, and then tightening up the screw again. And then when I slide in the battery, now it works.
Channel mode.
So that's all fine.
Channel mode.
So yeah. And there's the finished fixed product. So let's turn him on.
Frequency mode.
And that's the replacement.
Frequency mode.
And I've got them set at the same frequency, so where are we? Yep, working fine. Also on FM. And the light. Press it again, it flashes. Press it again, it goes off. Press that one. Back on monitoring the air. Job done.